Start para. The commission was set up by the Government of India on 14th July 1964 under the chairmanship of Daulat Singh Kothari, the then chairman of the University Grants Commission. The commissions aimed at examining all aspects of the educational sector across the country. Among other objectives behind setting up of this commission also included evaluation of a general pattern of education. The commission under the chairmanship of D.S. Kothari submitted its report on 29th June 1966. Its recommendations were accommodated in India's first national policy on education in 1968. The recommendation of the commission cover almost all aspects of all stages of education. The commission suggested for urgent reforms needed in education to transform it, to endeavor to relate it to the life, needs and aspirations of the people, and thereby to make it a powerful tool of social, economic and cultural transformation necessary for realization of our national goals. Para. For this purpose, education should be developed as to increase productivity, achieve social and national integration, accelerate the pace of modernization, and to strive to build character by cultivating social, moral, and spiritual value. The link between education and productivity can be created through the development of the following program. Science education. Every primary school should have a science corner to keep specimens, models and charts with necessary shortage facilities. Every higher primary school should be provided with one laboratory cum lecture room. The commission viewed that the main factors responsible for the dull, monotonous and uninspiring school teaching are the rigidity of the education system, poor competency of the teacher, lack of research on teaching methods, and failure of administrative machinery to diffuse new and dynamic methods of teaching. Therefore, the commission suggested that elasticity and dynamism in the educational system will help the institutions and teachers to proceed along different levels of development. The educational administration can hasten diffusion of new teaching methods for bringing out elasticity by combining permissiveness and approaching new methods according to the ability of schools, giving necessary in services training to teachers through workshops, seminars, refresher courses, demonstration, etc., and providing revised guide materials. Stop.